I was asked to answer the question of how Sha'arei Eliyahu, how important it is to the Bahraini community. And I'd like to answer. I personally grew up in Sha'arei Eliyahu. I grew up under Rabbi Yosef Akilov, and I can say very proudly that I've made life-altering decisions, based on Rabbi Akilov's guidance, and based on the whole entire shul, grew in Torah, Mitzvot, Yad Shamayim. I could say that I'm not the only one that's made decisions that have been life-altering, following Rabbi Akilov, that there are many others in the community. I could firmly believe that, and I could say that throughout the whole entire Bahrain community, I don't think there's any other place that a child can go and grow and learn Chazanut and learn Torah, learn many things throughout life that I think they won't get anywhere else. I remember many a times when I was growing up, learning and even making mistakes. It's okay. Rabbi Akilov, maybe it's his background in chinuch, but he would go and teach us, how to do, what to do, Chazanut, which words, how. And many people, I think, positively gained from the shul, and I could say I'm very proudly one of those people. And hopefully, B'ezrat Hashem, we only see more and more perot, and it should grow, and we should see more and more how our children and Torah, Mitzvot, and many other people grow throughout the community.